we've got a little experiment for you today. You see, we've seen all over YouTube how if you put an egg in a microwave, it'll explode. Except that's not big enough. Let's use 180 eggs. Alright, so I filled up the microwave with the eggs. We got 173 to be exact. 7 of them didn't fit. Eggs are loaded. Microwave's plugged in. Here we go. Alright, so we've been here for about a minute or so. I don't really know what's going to happen. So, I mean, I'm just giving little updates. We're just going to kind of wait until, you know, like, it goes off.